How to fix can't add card to Apple Wallet. If you can't add a card to Apple Wallet on your iPhone, Apple Watch, or iPad, then it's usually due to settings, connection, or bank verification issues. So, first of all, simply check your internet and system status. Make sure you have Wi Fi or cellular data, or look for Apple Pay if it's down, wait, and try later. Once you do so, all you have to do is go back to the home screen and look for the settings app available there and simply tap on these settings. Now once inside the settings, tap on the general option available there, then tap on the software update and install any available updates, because sometimes a software update can fix many wallet glitches. Now once you do so, go back to the settings general and this time scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone option available, and all you have to do is simply tap on it. After that, tap on the reset, then tap on the reset all settings, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.